thumbs up. And kind of shake it up. You guys want a little bit of a drop. You guys are more than welcome to hop on off of the logs if you guys don't want to go off the platform. It just gives you a little bit more height, so.
Run, hey!
Line is clear, is the bow one ready?
Alright, you can either step off the platform or just jump off the black.
I'll step off the platform.
Alright, you're all set?